pressure switch alarm. Okay? It's showing pressure switch alarm. This is always, especially during summer. Okay? There is some main reason. Summer, okay? Dirty condenser, failed pan condenser. So it will show. But how to troubleshoot that one? Okay? That one is commanding with this. No, not that one.
Compressor.
That is compressor alarm. Okay. Pressure switch alarm, it will command from this M4 terminal. Okay, this M4 terminal. So how it is, both this pressure switch alarm, how it comes. Okay, in normal function of the machine, this M4 terminal, neutral and line, you don't have 230 volts. Remember that, normal function. Okay, you don't have 230 in this line. Okay, this line is from 103. Okay, so that is for the line of the pressure switch alarm. So it means this one is this line from upstairs from the pressure switch. Okay,
May maliutin.
so now if the pressure switch alarm is showing, first thing what you will do, you must to confirm here, down there. You must have tester or voltmeter. Okay, here. If it is reading 230 volts, it's confirmed from outside the problem. Okay? But if don't have 230 volts here, doesn't have 230, no 30 volts, but you have pressure switch alarm, this one problem. Electronic board. That is 100%. But if there is 230 volts here is showing, your problem upstairs. Okay? Pressure switch alarm is only connection with the pressure switch. Pressure switch, pressure control, gas system in the circuit. Okay, that is only the connection for that pressure switch alarm. No any connected with the compressor. Okay? If you have pressure switch alarm, don't try to check the compressor. That is opposite of the compressor alarm. Compressor alarm, only you check compressor. Power supply, compressor safety device, that is for compressor alarm. Don't touch anything. But in pressure switch alarm, you will only check regarding for the pressure. Okay, what you will do, you confirm here, there is 230 volts to command pressure switch alarm. Okay, go upstairs, bring your pressure gauge. Okay, connect your pressure gauge, both high and low. Okay, then, of course, if very fresh time that the pressure switch alarm is coming, example, now it's showing the pressure switch alarm, you will go there. You cannot reset directly. There is certain time that the pressure switch will be reset automatically. If the pressure will be what?
Cool down.
If the pressure level in the system is equal, automatic it will go back to the pressure switch online. Okay? So you can able to start again. Okay? But before you will start again, there is reset button on the panel outside. Okay? The middle one. Okay? LP, HP. Okay? So after few minutes, maybe let's say 15 minutes, you will wait 15 minutes because when you press that reset, then you will come in on still nothing, no function. It means the pressure switch is still not engaged. Okay, still not reset. Okay, so you will wait 15 minutes maybe. Okay, then again press that reset there. Then when the reset is engaged, somebody will come here, somebody is there, okay, connecting each other by phone. Start the machine here, and you will look the pressure. Once the compressor start, you will look the pressure, high pressure gauge. Okay? When the pressure gauge is reaching to 300, 330, 340, that moment you will check what is going on in the condenser. If the fan is working or not. Okay? So if you notice if the fan is running, but why I'm getting high pressure?
Condenser immediately.
The fan is rotating. Okay? So you will check condenser is dirty. Oh, it's clean, but it's going like that. Notice the rotation of the fan. Because maybe somebody recently, maybe yesterday, somebody are doing repair there. The changing of the pace of the three phase is changed. Okay? So it will change the rotation also for the fan. So it will opposite sucking, is not suck properly the air. So you will get high pressure. Okay? Then if it is not like that situation, three phase is okay, not changing, clean condenser, the fan is working good, but I have pressure switch alarm and the pressure is getting high pressure.
You need to adjust the gas.
You will check, maybe somebody putting more gas.
Yeah.
Okay? So you will check your this one, your
Side
side
gas.
gas. Okay? So you will try to reduce the amount of gas until it will show little bubble. Okay? Reducing the gas until little bubble. Then stop. If your pressure is getting normal, so that is the problem.
Yeah.
Maybe somebody are playing with the machine. Like that. Okay? But sometimes I have pressure switch alarm, and this one is confirmed have command voltage, but I have pressure switch alarm, but my pressure is normal. What is going on? Normal is rotating, fan is rotating, clean condenser, okay? My preon is, my amount of preon is normal, but I have pressure switch alarm, but my high pressure gauge is only 260. Normal operation, but why is beep, pressure switch alarm?
I hope no ghost.
Huh?
I hope no ghost.
No, but I said it's normal. There is pressure. 260 is normal. 300 is normal.
Maybe the board.
But why I have pressure switch alarm? Everything is normal. Any idea?
Board problem.
No, it's not bored because it's confirmed you have 230 here. If there is no 30 here and you have pressure switch alarm, bored, true. But you have 30 volts here to command pressure switch alarm, you have problem there.
Outside.
But you have normal pressure. Everything is normal. But why is commanding pressure switch alarm? Any idea what's going on?
Maybe I need to adjust the range and high pressure. High pressure.
Why need adjust? Nobody touched before. It's normal working before. Why need to adjust? Maybe what's the problem? It's like that.
Maybe outside.
What? Normal pressure, I have 260, 300.
Yes.
Okay? But I have pressure switch alarm. When I switch the machine, in few minutes, beep, pressure switch alarm. Everything is normal outside.
Need to reset.
What is probably problem?
Apa?
Huh?
There's
Pressure switch control.
Yeah.
Okay? If your pressure switch control is sensitive, is already sensitive, already faulty, is very sensitive on the pressure, it will command to activate the signal to pressure switch alarm. Okay? Even your pressure switch is setting to 25, 27, 30 bar, but still you have pressure switch alarm in the low, in the normal pressure. It means that pressure switch control is faulty. Need to change. Okay, but there is idea how to manage that to confirm. Now I'm digging my file. Where is that? is inside of the pressure switch. This called S2 pressure switch because that is 1, 2, 3, I think, right? So this is the high pressure switch control. Okay. Even this one you put for if you put 30 bar and you have normal pressure, but it will activate the high pressure switch alarm. It means this one is broken. Okay. So what you will do? You can this one. You can join some wire there. Where is that one? I have this one. No.